for example, the contradiction, there is the gospel, in the gospel, okay, in the gospel, there is the book that's saying the tomb of Jesus, when the lady or women go to the front of the womb, the womb. My goodness, why I am like this? Oops, what's that? Okay, the tomb, the womb. In front of the tomb, the angel, the other gospel said that there is one angel. And the other gospel book, we know the gospel is Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Okay, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And there is one of that gospel saying that the angel who were in the front of the tomb, there is two angels. So, is that contradiction? Is that contradiction? Is that the proof that the Bible have contradiction? So, we need to study